Okay, and hello, hello, hello. Well, this is the discs and wheels of the R4B Drake PTO before it's taken apart, and I want to get a physical or a video record of this thing before I tear it apart. And for people that are rebuilding these, so this would be the last, I think, R4C and last double Mylar wheel PTO that Drake designed before they quit amateur radio. Well, I guess the one on TR7 is a different one. It's the next one in the TR6, but for the R4C series, maybe the TR4C, the TR4C, at least the one I have here, didn't have this concise PTO. You can see the discs in there have a distance. These discs are so close, it's really, really amazing. So this is differently engineered. And let's take an inventory of how this thing looks and works. So before I take off this circlip and wreck it. So what's in here? What separates these? Looks like they have one or two little washers in there. Looks like two of them, if you can see the two washers there. Then they have one on the back here. Look at that. And then the gear little tooth. So it's pretty much standard, but we'll go with this as a reference and how it should be done if you want to rebuild your PTO, or if I want to build another one in the future. This is how to get it rock and rolling and working really well. So check it out, people. All right, well, this one doesn't look really too bad. I could probably just clean it and put it back together and throw it in the radio and it'll work. I guess that's what we're going to do. It does need some cleaning, doesn't it? And it has some scratches on it, doesn't it? But it's a 45-year-old radio, 1975 or 1974, so you deal with a few issues. Thanks for watching. I like my socks. Have a great day. These socks, by the way, are from Massachusetts 2 years ago. They're my favorites. Have a nice day.